Jack Wilson is an elderly man who once served as a priest in a small village church in the Lake Valley district. He left the clergy in 1988, but never lost his faith. On the contrary, it only grew stronger over time. Jack continued to strictly observe religious traditions, especially during the Easter holidays. After leaving the church, he chose a life of isolation. His house stands on the outskirts of the village, far from other people. Since then, he has rarely been seen in public. Despite his advanced age, Jack remains physically active and surprisingly cheerful.
The series of brutal Easter killings has continued, and this time, 8 children became victims. The signs remain the same. Needles found in internal organs, poison in the bloodstream, missing limbs, and clear evidence of abuse. A horrifying sight, to be honest. However, not far from one of the crime scenes, a suspicious red pickup truck was discovered after crashing off the road. It appears the vehicle was traveling at high speed, judging by the extent of the damage. The driver was severely mangled, and his identity is currently being established. Most notably, an old rabbit costume, a handgun, and an axe were found in the trunk. We believe this man may be connected to the killings. It is possible that he is the so-called Roger the Rabbit. At the very least, we would like to believe so. It is hard to accept that this bastard could still be out there. Police Officer Douglas Turner, in an interview with LVT. Today we discovered the body of Jack Wilson. The old man had hanged himself in the attic of his home. The poor guy had been hanging there for quite some time before being found. A rabbit costume and a human skull were also discovered in the attic. We believe this is a significant piece of evidence in the case of the so-called Roger the Rabbit. Moreover, this year became the first in which Easter in our village passed without any murders. No one was harmed, no missing person reports, no bodies, and except for Jack Wilson, we have strong reasons to believe that he was the killer. Unfortunately, questioning the old man is no longer an option. Police Officer Douglas Turner, in an interview with LVT.